We're now over 200,000 miles from Earth aboard Artemis II, floating in deep space, with Earth shrinking behind us and the Moon growing closer ahead. But here's the real question. How did any of this get here in the first place? The Moon, the Earth, even us. To understand where we're going, we have to go all the way back, for 0.6 billion years. Before the Earth existed, before the Moon, before the Sun even ignited, there was a vast, cold cloud drifting through space. A nebula, a mixture of gas, dust, and the remains of ancient stars that had lived and died long before our solar system was born. Inside that cloud were the raw ingredients of everything we know today: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of planets and life. Then something changed. A disturbance, possibly a nearby supernova, sent shockwaves through the cloud, causing it to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it began to spin, faster and faster. At the center, pressure and temperature rose until something incredible happened. The birth of our sun, a star igniting in the darkness. Around this newborn sun, a swirling disk of leftover material formed, like a cosmic construction site. Within this disk, tiny particles began to collide. 99.8% of the material gathered in the center to form the sun. The leftover 0.2% is everything else: Earth, Jupiter, and even you. At first, they stuck together through static forces. Then gravity took over. Small rocks became larger rocks. Larger rocks became planetesimals. And over millions of years, those bodies collided, merged, and grew into full-sized planets. One of those planets was Earth. But the Moon? The Moon's story is even more dramatic. Early in Earth's history, when the planet was still molten and unstable, something massive happened. A collision. A Mars-sized object, often called Theia, crashed into the young Earth. The impact was catastrophic. It vaporized rock, melted entire regions of the planet, and blasted huge amounts of debris into orbit around Earth. That debris didn't escape. Instead, gravity pulled it together. Piece by piece, it formed a single body, the Moon. So when we look out the window of Orion today, at that gray, silent world hanging in the darkness, we're not just looking at another celestial body. We're looking at a piece of Earth's past, a fragment of a violent beginning that made our world what it is today. And now, billions of years later, we're coming back, not as spectators, but as explorers. Because missions like Artemis II aren't just about reaching the Moon. They're about understanding our origins, so we can shape our future. Every mile we travel away from Earth is also a journey backward in time, a reminder that everything we see, the spacecraft, the planets, the stars above us, all came from the same beginning. And maybe that's the most powerful part of this mission. We're not just exploring space. We're discovering where we came from, so we can decide where we go next. I'm Victor, and this is Space Walk. Thanks for walking with me. If you want to stay updated, make sure to hit that subscribe button.